Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about a popular topic in the health and fitness world. Intermittent fasting without a keto diet. Intermittent fasting has become an increasingly popular health trend over the past few years, with many people praising its benefits for weight loss, better insulin sensitivity, and improved overall health. However, many people believe that intermittent fasting should be paired with a keto diet to maximize its benefits. But the truth is, you can still achieve great results with intermittent fasting without going keto. Firstly, let's briefly go over what intermittent fasting is. Intermittent fasting is an eating pattern that cycles between periods of fasting and eating. The most common method is the 16/8 method, where you fast for 16 hours and have an 8-hour eating window. During the fasting period, you're allowed to drink water, coffee, and tea, but no solid food. Now, let's talk about how you can do intermittent fasting without a keto diet. Firstly, it's essential to focus on nutrient-dense, whole foods during your eating window. This means incorporating plenty of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins into your meals. These foods will provide you with the energy and nutrients you need to power through the day. Secondly, it's crucial to pay attention to portion size and avoid overeating during your eating window. Even if you're not following a strict keto diet, overeating can still lead to weight gain and other negative health effects. Thirdly, it's essential to stay hydrated during your fasting period. Drinking plenty of water and other non-caloric beverages can help you stay full and stave off hunger pangs. Lastly, it's important to listen to your body and adjust your eating window and fasting period as needed. Not everyone's body responds the same way to intermittent fasting, so it's essential to find a schedule that works best for you. In conclusion, you can still reap the benefits of intermittent fasting without going keto. Focus on nutrient-dense, whole foods, avoid overeating, stay hydrated, and listen to your body. Remember, intermittent fasting is just one tool in a healthy lifestyle, and it's essential to pair it with regular exercise and other healthy habits for the best results. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.